Okay, Maddie. What's that letter?
D.
Okay, I'll hold it. Give me another one. Tell me. What's that?
O.
Okay, give me another one. What's that? What letter is that?
Q.
U. Okay, what letter is this?
P.
No. What letter is this?
W.
What's this?
P.
What's this?
O.
What's this? Give me another one. What's that?
L.
What's that?
I.
Give me another one. Okay, that's good. We don't have to clean them up. What's that?
V.
What's that?
F.
What is that? What's the one you just threw in? What's that?
A.
What's that? What is this, baby? I didn't hear.
P.
And what's this you just threw in?
V.
What's this?
Q.
What is it?
Q.
Okay. Get another one. What's that? What's this?
J.
G. What's this?
Z. Z.
What's that in your hand?
E.
What's that?
A.
Okay. What's that? What's this one?
X.
Yes.
X.
And what's the one in your hand?
J.
J. Yay! Maddie knows her alphabet. You want to do more? Okay, Maddie, say bye-bye. Say I'm 18 months. Can you say bye, Mommy?
Hi, Bobby.
Bye, Bobby? Who's Bobby?
Mommy.
Mommy. Can you say
Bye.
love you?
Yeah.